Assault? You about to throw hands on the officer?
What's up?
Oh, you throwing hands on the officer? Oh! Baby! Oh, baby! Hold on! I see the wiggery, and then I saw the fadery. Hold on. Oh, she got the fade with her. Here I go. Baby, you can't have a snapback on, and your wiggery ain't snapbacked on. Yo, what's poppin', GE? Gang, it's your boy Fushika. We are back with another banger reaction video. Check this out, man. I'm fresh back. If you guys caught me on the live, I'm fresh back from my son's basketball game. They lost by 2 points, which sucks. So I gotta come back and I gotta get the win for the team. You know what I'm saying? On YouTube, tight. Hope y'all enjoyed the little live I came through. I just, you know what I'm saying? I had to step away for a minute because, you know what I'm saying, I've been going through something like just a real life, you know what I'm saying? Now I had to go get my meat together, my energy together, my vibe together. I cannot come back on camera not being me. I won't be able to upload a video. So I had to go get my shit together. Now I'm back. Doesn't happen too often, but when it happens, I'm going to take that time back because I come back and I feel rejuvenated, like I feel good. And I miss my people. I straight from the game. I'm here. Like, I got to tell my people. The energy is there between us. The love in the comment section is for sure there. So I appreciate you guys more than you know. We're going to continue to grow and grow. You feel me? We're about to tap into a video I got sent. Entitled women think they own a casino. Start fighting everyone. In a casino? Hold on. Think they own a casino. So what are they mad they lost? Or I'm sure they're not fighting because they won. That's why I don't go to casino. I don't like giving my money away. I just don't. I don't like going. I don't go to strip clubs. I don't go to casinos because if I give my whole paycheck away and they get to go enjoy their life, girl get to go home, buy her boyfriend steak and asparagus. I'm not on my dimery. Keeping all my bread. I'm in the house. I told y'all I'm in the house with it. Okay, I do not play no games. Catch me at my son's basketball game. Catch me doing stuff with my other son, my nephews. That's it. Girl, cousin, brother. I'm in the house though. Hey, how y'all doing though? Like, hope y'all had a great holiday. Like I said, hope you guys spent time with the family. I saw a couple of my people in the comment section that said they saw family members that they haven't seen in about 2 or 3 years, and they had a great time laughing all night. That's what it's all about. Sometimes you gotta rekindle with your own family. It'll be like that. So, you know, you take for what it is. If you got separated for a little minute, you know what I'm saying, everybody go get their meat burritos together, then come back, meat burritos on point, we good, okay? Now, with that being said, we got to check on our people's meat burritos, okay? Because that's what we're really concerned about, because we really do this every time we drop a video. So, get down in the comment section 1 through 10, tap in. Let your family know, let your second family, let your community know where your meat burritos are, how you feeling, how you doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually. Tap down in the comment section. It is Saturday, so it's the weekend. So I'm gonna try to get you guys out hella videos. I'm gonna try. You guys ain't gonna. The weekend, you guys are getting videos for sure. Like, it's going down. Okay, let's go ahead and tap to the video. Let's see what the casino then did to people that know when they go to casinos, the chance you're gonna win or lose, and they about to turn up. I guess.
Inside a casino in Des Plaines, early one morning, a routine removal of a group turns into a moment of violence.
She did not do shit.
All right, guys, they don't want you here.
I didn't do nothing to them.
I know.
Who do I talk to about that, though, baby?
They don't want you. They just don't want you here.
Well, who do I talk to about that? Y'all just let them do that? I'm losing $4,800.
What point do they have? No reason, no point.
You know it's your private property.
That's
they don't want you,
bogus.
they don't want you.
Hey, baby, that's bogus as hell. Who do I talk to about them, though?
You just gotta go
So y'all, you just let them win, right?
No, I ain't like no.
What?
Come on now. Come on. That shit bogus when I'm losing money.
Let's go. Get your money. Let's go.
Ain't no just get my money and just go when I'm losing $4,800, bro.
I know. You came here to play. You gotta lose.
What about them? They mad at another motherfucker. I don't got nothing to do with what they talking about anyway.
You got your people telling you let's go.
Baby, I don't got nothing to do with what they talking about.
Just talk. You know
They mad because I won. Listen.
I get you.
This DuPage camera.
Well, leave them, Monique. I don't need you.
Give her your money.
Thank you.
I'm gone.
I don't need no motherfucker. What I'm trying to tell you, they bogus as hell.
Let's calm down.
Y'all can't keep doing that. Y'all can't keep letting no motherfucker that's bogus as hell. But so why you doing it? Why is you doing it?
Ma'am, let's go.
Why is you letting your, cause he work here, get down on me when I ain't did no wrong to
They
him?
don't want you here, so let's go.
But he disrespected me. I wasn't even playing no
Let's go
game.
online and then do a complaint.
Ain't no online when I'm here. So where I talk to while I'm right here?
can't talk to nobody.
No. You ain't gonna tell me that. I can talk to whoever I'm here at this facility.
Let's leave.
I should be able to talk
Stop
to the
yelling
manager.
at me. I'm not yelling at you.
Just talk. This is the past
What the manager?
Let's leave.
I want to talk to whoever owns this bitch.
Let's go.
I know my rights, baby. I know my rights.
Ma'am,
can we go?
My motherfucking mama is the
you just
motherfucking
came too close
state
to my face.
representative. My mama is state representative.
Let's go.
Ain't no let's go outside.
outside.
I'm gonna get my bread. Y'all somewhere.
What you mean? Your mom's a state representative. Well, you ain't representing your mama. I wouldn't spill that. If I was your mama, I'd be mad. What you mean? You lost $4,800 today doing you dirt? I'm confusery. Like, what are we talking about? Hey, that's why I don't go. Go to casino. They see you didn't, say you lost $4,800, $5,000. Like, you know what? Kick them out. It's private property. It's private property. You gotta go. You can't say, I got a chance to win my money back. Y'all ain't going nowhere. What are we doing? You guys are turning up for no reason. It's a casino. Private property. You're not going to win in this situation. I'm telling you, baby, you ain't going to win in this situation. You don't run the show. This is a casino. This is, big business. It's like pharmaceutical. This is billions of dollars. Man, you think you about to win it, you come up missing.
Catch her out so we can leave.
In the door they is. But y'all not gonna tell me that. They could be racist to me and do shit to me. I want to press charges. So let me. What the
She didn't do
paperwork?
nothing wrong.
What the paperwork? I want to press charges.
All right, we'll do it outside.
On
I
who?
call the police. I want to press it here. They have it here. They have it here. No, I'm not going outside. I'm not going outside. I want to do it here.
We're gonna go
I don't want to go outside.
You gotta leave.
Grab your couple.
No, it happened to him.
Get your money. Get your
It's
money.
him.
Just get your money.
Hey, look, it's against him. I don't want to go outside.
Get your money.
I don't want to go outside. It's against him.
What's her phone?
I ain't going outside though.
You gotta leave, man.
I'm not. I'm pressing charges against him.
For what?
Why do I gotta go outside? Cause he pushed
They
me.
don't want you. They
He
don't want
pushed me. And he
want you.
disrespecting me. Why do I gotta go outside? Tell me the reason why I
They
gotta
don't
go.
want you here.
Okay? And I want to press charges because he the one. I don't want to call the
You guys
police.
can go. And
I'll call the
complain
police
against
first.
them. They didn't call the police. They called the police. Man, just get your stuff and let's go.
Being disrespectful.
Y'all ass be bogus as hell. Y'all don't care.
Let's go.
You gotta go or you're gonna get
But
arrested.
how you know this is the
Get arrested for
For
what?
trespassing. They don't want you here.
I say I want to press charges.
Trust me.
I'll call the
We can
police.
talk about it.
Let's go. Let's do it outside.
Just talk. That's what.
Let's
That's
go outside.
wrong. Sometimes
Listen
you
to
just
your
walk
friend,
it out.
baby.
Let's do it outside.
No matter what.
Yep. Let's do it outside.
Oh, so me. Oh, because he work here. Oh, because he
You
work
just
here.
being too touchy right now. Let's
They
go.
call all type of.
Let's go. Let's go. You can file complaint out.
That's a big too though.
All right, then let's get the fuck out of here then.
Okay.
Get the fuck out of here.
Hey,
Let's go.
I'm a man at the end of the day, baby. You ain't about to call me the B word. He said, "Get the fuck out of here then." Now y'all going somewhere don't got to go, okay? He's too much talkery. Too much yapping, not enough zapping. Taser, taser, taser in the casino. Squirming like a fish in front of everybody. And your money gonna go up in the air and get tased. I'm coming to get it like it fell off an armored truck, okay? That's the game y'all want to play. That's what we're gonna play. You acting like you're in control and you ain't in control of nothing. Okay, it's all on camera. Like he said, go outside. We could talk about you filing charges against whoever. But as of right now, you are trespass. Do you guys know what trespass means? Do you guys? I feel like they should be taught that in school. You don't know what trespass means. I know you do because you're old enough. I can tell. But you're gonna be defiant. Then you're defiant. You're gonna call racism. Well, they show like they're gonna win some money or lose it, and you lost it. I'm sure there's other black people in there that walked out that mud with 5, 10, 15,000 to hit the jackpot before, and they gave them their money. They're racist because you lost? Doesn't make any sense. They didn't go get you out your house. They said, come to our casino so you can call us racist, and then we can kick you out. I'm confused, bro. The other girl was she was being smart. She was being smart at first. This is such and such county. We got to go. Let's go. Then she come back and then she called old boy a name and she called him a B word and now it's probably about to go down, okay? Because he's mad.
That's how I want to press charges.
Let's go.
Hold on. Let me
Let's
put
go
this shit on
outside.
camera.
Hey, we gotta go outside. We're not gonna stay here all day.
Hold on, get my money. I'm getting my money.
You got your money already. You got your shit already.
Who got your ish already?
Hey, stop
You got your shit already. Let's go.
Oh, he mad. He had enough.
I ain't nobody's picturing shit. Let's go.
What?
Let's get the fuck out of here then.
I don't get no y'all prejudice as hell. Y'all ass prejudice. Let me go.
Boy, that officer boy done had enough
Let's
now.
go.
I'm already woke.
Let's go.
Why'd you pinch my
I ain't
arm?
nobody picturing your shit.
Yes, you is.
Let's go.
Ain't nobody picturing you.
Let's go.
Let her go.
Okay, I'm out. Now let me go. Let me go. So let me
Put
go.
yours ready, baby. You take it right now.
Do it to yourself.
So what she go?
I ain't do nothing.
Stand over there. Stop right over there. You know that?
So face, so let her go.
Go over there.
Oh, shit. Assault, baby. Assault. You about to throw hands on the officer?
What's up?
Oh, you throwing hands on the officer. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Hold on. I see the wiggery, and then I saw the fadery. Hold on.
Let her go. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go.
Oh, she got the fade with her. Here I go. Baby, you can't have a snapback on, and your wiggery ain't snapbacked on. What? Stop playing with me. In my life, I'm not going nowhere acting a fool and I know my ain't glued down. You not about to have me going from long hair don't care to fade waves. It ain't happening, okay? Y'all crazy. Last video I did, lady had braids. Then she had the cockaroo on top. Braids wasn't done. She had the hat came off. She started fighting the police officer. Hat came off. Cockaroo on top. Braids looked cool on the side. They thought she had the whole shit done. You fooled me. Long hair don't care till the waves never fade.
Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Let her go, man.
You hit an officer. You not going nowhere but to jail.
Put your hands behind.
I'm not doing nothing.
You're under arrest. Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, I'm right
Put
here.
your hands behind your back.
Let her go, man. Let her go. Let her go. Let her go. Let her
Oh, man, don't arrest the wiggery. Get it out the cuffs. I'm going to hang it on by a thread, baby.
Take it to the ground.
I'm not doing nothing, baby. I'm not disrespecting you. That's my little.
Let me get your other hand. Let me get your other hand.
He tired of y'all.
But you see what that's what they do. That's what they do.
That's what they do.
They ass some bitches. Let me the fuck go.
Stop.
Let
Shut
me
up.
go. Y'all ass right.
Oh, man, no, baby. That mugshot gonna be a mother effer. Ooh, your edge is gone, too. Yikes.
I ain't moving away from him. I'm talking to my friend right here. I'm talking to him. He right there.
All right, I'm gonna take your money. Put it in. Look.
No, don't my money. Please
All
don't.
right, you come both come with us.
Y'all ass.
Let's walk over there.
Y'all ass racist. You touch me, you kick me, and do anything. Yo, bitch ass going down. Y'all ass some bitches.
All right, we're gonna lift you up, man. All right.
Y'all ass. Let me grab my wig.
Let me grab my wig, man. Oh, baby.
Y'all ass racist as fuck. Y'all ass racist.
Where's your car? You wanna go to your car?
Y'all ass racist.
Shut up.
I'm not running from you,
You
sir.
go to the car. You go to the car. You go to the car. I know you're going to the car. All right, we told you get the fuck out of here. Then get the fuck out of here. All right, stay the fuck back here. Okay, go. Get her purse. What else? You want to give him your money?
No, hell no.
She said nope.
What I do to you?
I trust him, but I don't trust him that much, Ari.
He's not going to jail for trespass. I ain't do shit. I'm going to jail for trespass. No, let's walk down here. No.
You're not gonna tell me where the fuck to go.
Record it, bro.
I ain't got no phone.
My phone in that phone, in that car. No, record it.
Stay the fuck right here. Wait.
I didn't do shit to you.
Wait. Stop fucking
I
resisting.
didn't do shit. I'm not resisting. What I do to you?
You guys just had to leave. Why you gotta do
We
extra?
did.
No, you didn't.
You were drinking,
No, we
my
didn't
guy.
do- I don't get no, cause y'all ass being racist. Let me, why you strong on me?
Because he's protecting us. Go over here.
Okay. Stop strong argument. Yo, bitch ass. Let me stop strong argument. What's time back?
Get her.
Listen, I got to get this understood, okay? Because if you're going to act like a man, I'm going to treat you like one to the fullest. You not about to put hands on me, square up with me, throw a drink at me, and then I just can't get no reaction. And on top of that, I'm an officer, so you're already going down for assault. You might get, I don't know, they might try to throw a felony out, but I'm saying, you can't act like you big and bad like a man, I don't know, like you the strongest woman, whatever you want to call it, and then talking about you strong-arming me. How does that work? Oh, that's that entitlement. That's that, well, whatever you want to call it. Man, you got life all misconstrued, and you about to find out. You can't put your hands on people and throw drinks at people and think you're just going to be able to walk away. If this was a regular pedestrian, they probably wouldn't have got the pew-pew on you. You can't do that. You got to thinkery. Actions. For every action, there's a reaction. But you don't like the reaction, huh? Okay, bet. I got you.
Oh.
It's gonna make sure you get no weapon.
I ain't got no somehow weapon.
Look at the wig. She holding on. She got that like this. It's going to jail with me. I paid $9,000 for this.
Why you locking me up, though?
Trespassing. Get in the car.
That's the dumbest question.
You gonna go that way?
You locking me down. You locking me on the floor.
Shut up. Shut up.
Stand the fuck up.
Now I'm going to take your money, too.
Hold on, I'll get in. You don't got to
Get in.
Shut up. You wouldn't get in the first place.
Tell me to.
Get in.
This woman was cited for misdemeanor trespass and disorderly conduct.
She gonna stop talking to me. For real.
The other woman was charged with a felony count of aggravated battery to a peace officer and brought to a Cook County courthouse for a detention hearing. Want to watch more videos like this one? Click the one on the screen now.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do want to watch more cockaroos. Okay. I'm with, hey, I mess with these officers. I'm with all the smoke. Once you do and act crazy like this and throw drinks on me, I might black out as an officer. I'm just saying, I'm a human being at the end of the day. I'm on so much disrespectery I'm going to do, even I done gave the oathery, okay? Listen, I'm human. I'm going to screw up a little bit. I liked everything they did. A little bit too much yapping for me in the beginning, too much yapping and not enough zapping. But when the officer had enough, he had enough. He cussed from here to there to there to the end of the video. And I loved every minute of it, okay? You can't, listen, the video's there. You can't lie your way out of this. You think somebody gonna be like, you know what, man? He arrested you for no reason. He did it. He gave you every opportunity to leave, and you chose not to. That's what they're gonna see. Every opportunity, please. If you don't leave, you're gonna be arrested. Just get your money and go. You lost $4,800. Who you want to go complain for? Somebody assault you. Okay, then it's on casino tapes, and we're gonna run it back. But you didn't want to go outside and talk about that. You went to the casino and got done dirty. Then the man that you was with, he said, "You want to take a purse? Yes. You want to take the money? No." Oh, baby. I know the man is scared of you, too. Tell me down in the comment section, man. Let's talk about it. It's getting, I'm telling you, these YNWs is getting out of control. And I don't even know if there's a YNW. They might have been the OBGYNAs. You don't know what that one means, huh? Big acronym. I might not have to tell y'all what that means, because if I tell you, you can be like, you know what I'm saying? Just know it's the older folks acting like young ninjas, okay? Just know that. Y'all supposed to be, the older you get, the more wiser you're supposed to get. Y'all ain't getting no wiser. Y'all just getting older. And the stupider than the dumber. I don't want to be around the people that's getting older and stupider. You're supposed to, I want to be around the people that get older and wiser. I want to learn something from you. I want to vibe off of you. What are you guys got going on? I'm going to keep my distance. I'm only going to mess with you guys from, the video perspective. I don't want to meet you guys in real life because I ain't trying to go down. You feel me? Tell down in the comment section, man. Let's talk about it, man. Shout out to everybody that, is still around, still tapping the comment section, tapping into the lives, searching for your boy because YouTube don't want to send the notifications out. YouTube. Yeah. Shout out to all my people, man. We're going to keep on doing what we're doing. Video number 2 on the way, baby. I might do another video. I feel really good right now. I'm going to go check my DMs. I'm going to check my email. I might drop another video after this one. I don't know. I'm having too much fun. And these people are too dumbery for me. And they make me feel good because I'm like, in the position I'm in and the position you in is too different. I like where I'm at right now, okay? It's your boy Fushing, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Let's turn up and have fun. Stay safe. Stay out the way, baby.